Hello, welcome to my Excel Masterclass. So I've dropped a couple of videos on free tutorials on some basic Excel functions, but I've gotten some feedback that I should just do a basic intro into Excel for those that have never used Excel before and do not really know the possibilities Excel. So Excel is a data analysis tool. You can use Excel for computation. You can also use it for type, just the way you use your Microsoft Word. So as a matter of fact, as a person, I feel more comfortable typing a document on Excel than to use Microsoft. That is how used to Excel that I am. Many people prefer Word to type letters and stuff. I actually prefer to use Excel. Can be argued, but I mean it's my thing because it's my comfort zone. Doesn't mean I don't use Word. Doesn't mean I don't know how to use Microsoft. So to do this intro, I'll just uh, walk you through setting the icons on Excel, let you know what you can do with it, and then after that I would take a specific part, just like I've always done, take a specific Excel function and teach you how to use it. Okay, so basically this is a fresh Excel sheet, no work has been done on it. Yeah, so we have the file icon, we have the save. So up here I'm toggling my mouse around it. This is a save button. You can use this button to save a document. So let's save this as Excel class. Yeah, save. Yeah, you can save. You then that is the save, and there's this drop down icon here. It's your quick access toolbar. It takes you down to some quick things you want to do. So if you want to open a new document or you want to open a saved document, you want to email the document. So if I click on this, my Excel is not linked to an email anyway, so it's not going to work. I'm using an offline Excel. So okay, then you now have the file icon. The file icon takes you to the drivers of your Excel. So you want to open a new document, you want to open an existing document, you want to save, you want to save as, you want to print, you want to share, export, publish, and so on. So save. Okay, in saving, when you work with your Excel, you can actually save your Excel as different kind of formats. So that I've worked with Excel doesn't mean the document should always be in Excel form. I can save it as PDF. I can decide to save it as text. I can, save it as a web page. I can actually save depending on the content of my Excel. So the fact that you've worked on Excel does not mean your workings will always be in Excel. You can actually save as PDF. So let's say this is my Excel worksheet. I want to save. Click on save as, and well, there's nothing here, so there's nothing to save. It's just a blank document. But if it had a function, you can actually save. So let me put something up. Ade, Salami, and Joy. I can actually print this now. I can actually save it as PDF. Let's see, I want to save as PDF. This. So initially it was telling me there was nothing to save. Now I have PDF Ade Salami Joy. Now this is an unformatted work, right? I'm just trying to show you the possibilities of what you can do with Excel just quickly. So I can save as PDF, I can save as text, I can save in different formats, right? That is one part. So that is what you see here in files. You can also print, send to printer. So I have my own, this is an offline printer that I use. HP Desk. You can configure any other printer to your system, and that is the file button. Then you now have the home button that just gives you access to quick Excel icons. So this is Ade Salami Joy, right? I can, the text, the formatting of this text is in Calibri. I can, maybe I'm doing a work that requires that it should be in, there's the most popular one, Times Roman, right? Times New Roman. Yeah, this is 9 times New Roman. So yeah, so I have my text is inverted, right? I can actually, there's actually an Excel tool that allows me to rotate how I want. So there's this AB orientation, right? If I click on it, I can actually rotate the way I want my text to be. If I want it to be, you know, vertical, I did like this. If I wanted it to be this way, it would. If I wanted it to be, you know, 0, it's fine. So here you can actually also change the orientation of your your writings. Okay, there's actually a lot you can do with Excel. I'm not going into formulas right now. I'm just trying to show you the possibilities, the things you can do with Excel that you don't even know. Okay, so this is numbers, right? I can make it into accounting format of percentage. All I do is click percentage, 100%. If I click on comma, it turns it to an accounting format, so 1.000. If I don't want to see this 1.000, I can use this to decrease the decimal, right? Also this backward arrow to increase decimal as much as possible. You can continue increasing it, but let me use 2 decimal places. Okay, now if I wanted this whole place, maybe I've written Ade Salami and Joy and I wanted just Ade, I can actually merge this column. It will ask me that merging keeps only the merging says only keeps the upper left value and discards others. Okay, so this is Ade, right? I can call out this as my header and just come here, put a border. I begin to have a document. I can unmerge all my headers that were there before, they disappeared because I have accepted it. But let's Control Z, right? So let me say this is a header, make it bold and put borders. Okay, I can put totals. There's a function called auto sum, automatically sums it. Press enter. So you go to the bottom, click on auto sum and enter. Now just drag it. Right, that's 15. Okay, I can make this place as double bottom border to make it sure that it's a total. Okay, so to do that, there is this place here for borders. With your borders, you see different kind of borders that you want. Okay, if I want to put all of this, have a thick border around it, I will highlight the space. Okay, come to my borders and tick outside borders. If I don't want this, if I don't want all these borders again, I'll click on that area, go back to borders and say no border. There's a place for no border, everything will disappear. There's actually a lot you can do on Excel. Just the basics. This thing looks like a table. If I actually want it to be a table, click on the area that I want to be a table, come to format as table. To ask me what kind of table do I want, I like to use this style. My table has headers, yes, it's clicked, and this is my table. Okay, with this I can do so much. When your document is in table format, you can do many things. See, you can filter. I'm still going to do a video on how to filter in Excel. Okay, but with table format you can actually filter different ways. So you filter equal to, does not equal to, greater than, to filter out. If I say here, let's say I had so many data and I wanted to filter out everything greater than 1, I'll do greater than 1. Okay, So show rows where array is greater than 1. Okay, it will really show me these ones greater than 1, right? If I want to discard this, come here, I click on left filter, and that is it. This is just a basic intro into the possibilities of the things you can do in Excel. Since you can always reach out to me, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what you want to learn, and then I'll do a video to explain it, or we can have a quick one-to-one. Although my one-to-one classes are not free, I charge people, and I teach Excel outside of YouTube for a fee, not expensive. Like I like to use the word subsidized. Why I don't do freeze? Because those one-to-one classes are structured, right? They are structured to meet your specific needs. So I have different people that have different Excel needs, and then they reach out to me. We structure a class. I charge you a fee for my time because I work, and if I'm going to be teaching you one-on-one, obviously I need a fee for my data and everything. So if you want that, obviously I'm available, but there's a lot of help you can get on YouTube, watching my free classes. That is just it, right? So I hope this introduction is, I mean, it's not a proper introduction, right? But I what I've tried to do is give you a context into what Excel is. Okay, Excel is a huge. It's not just a tool; it's a software because they update it often. Matter of fact, some companies have special tools embedded inside Excel that allows their staff to do some specific kind of task that you not see in general Excel. Okay, but what I would encourage you to do is try to follow my classes. I will try to make it as structured as possible, and if there is anything you want me to teach you, I'll teach you. Okay. This video is done specifically for those that have never used Excel before, don't know what to do with Excel, don't know how to start or where to start. That's why I just did this for you to see. Okay, this is really the most basic. Some people will call it Excel for dummies, but nobody is a dummy. We are just learning. Okay, have a great day and watch out for my next video.